Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2022 Silverado Trail Boss. And onto the inside with power windows and door locks and a Bose sound system. Heated front seats with a heated steering wheel. Of course it has Bluetooth, cruise control. Nicely appointed. Our 2022 Silverado Trail Boss has the 5.3 liter paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission, and this truck has Duratrac off-road tires. With a spacious rear passenger compartment with seating for 3, there's also some USB plugs, and we have the Silverado heavy-duty floor mats as well. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2022 Silverado Trail Boss, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.